Iron Man walks into his welding room and is greeted by a mysterious figure hanging out around the welding stations.
Mr. Stark, you become part of a bigger universe than you realize. You aren't the only superhero instructor.
Man, who are you?
I'm Nikki Fury, and I'm here to talk to you about the Workforce Initiative.
Captain America is tuning up a forklift as Nikki Fury enters the logistics warehouse.
Have you had any students trained on that thing lately?
Not since the world's got quiet.
How would you like to join a special crew of superhero instructors to teach young people the world of work? Not just logistics, but the entire world of work.
You can count me in.
Black Widow is working the case, trying to enable all young people, especially those who need her most, to reach their full potential as productive, caring, responsible citizens.
I have an assignment for you.
What's the assignment?
We have something that requires your special skill set. It's not like anything you've ever done before. We need a superhero culinary arts instructor, someone to help young people to enter the workforce in the culinary arts field.
Well, I hate to miss an opportunity to work with the youth. So if that's what it takes, I'm in.
Our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man is patrolling, looking over the city when a mysterious figure walks up.
Hey kid, we need you.
Professor Hulk is in the lab working on something possibly important when Fury walks in.
Well, this is a surprise. I was expecting Banner.
You know, I fought my two halves for far too long, so I decided it was time for them to come together to be my best self. I'm working through it. I'm still a bit clumsy at times, but we're getting there.
That's actually good news, because for this experiment, I'm going to need both Banner and Hulk.
I'm down for it, as long as the experiment doesn't contain radiation.
I'm bringing together an elite team of superheroes to work with young people to ready them for the world of work.
I'm down for that challenge.
Fury lands on the outskirts of Wakanda to see the Dora Milaje protecting the entrance.
We are the warriors of employability.
Protectors of the realms of resonance.
What brings you to our world?
I'm here in search of fighters to fight the good fight for the next generation, and I think you are exactly what we need.
We will fight for the next generation.
Lady Venom is hard at work fighting to help the underdogs of this world when Nikki Fury...
I've been watching you. I like how you operate. I think I have a job for you.
I don't like working for people.
What if you could help hundreds of kids every year, teaching them some of your tenacious ways?
That could work.
There's a crisis going on in the world. Hundreds of employers are looking for employees. Our next generation is eager to work but needs refinement. They don't know about resumes, applications, and interviewing with potential employers. Only one group can help them now. One group pulled together by Nikki Fury.
Our world has been quiet for quite some time now. We have to maintain safe distances. We couldn't shake hands. We were worried about hand sanitizers and toilet paper. And we made sure that we wore our masks to make us all safe and make us all superheroes. But the world has started to open back up, and we need a generation of skilled workers.
I can teach them the world of STEM and how to explore it safely.
I can instruct them on the ways of professional dress.
I can show them how to transfer any job skills to any job, teaching them how to be flexible and adaptable to whatever the world throws at them.
I can show them how to travel with a welding certification.
I can teach them the ways of the resume.
We can teach them the ways of customer service.
I can help them with all the obstacles that may come along their path to success and help them never give up on their dreams.
And I can show them the benefits of working in logistics and earn a forklift certification, how important it is. By the way, Memphis is America's distribution center.
Workforce, assemble, baby!